Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the unique and healthy recipes. God bless you for coming back. In today's video, I want to make a soap that is used purely for laundry. I'm actually making a supply to a laundry man, and this soap is going to come out colorless. What I did is, first of all, to soak the ingredients overnight. So I soaked my caustic soda, I soaked my soda ash, I soaked my STPP, and I soaked my SLS. So now what I'm turning into the big bowl is my nitrosol. Nitrosol, you have to fast with the stirring to avoid having lumps formed in the soap. So I stir it immediately and let everything dissolve completely. You see, this soaking of ingredients down overnight is very useful because it makes your soap to come out very smooth, transparent and clean. So I stirred immediately and everything dissolved completely. So I'm dissolving my caustic soda, and I'm finishing a whole 30 grams of caustic soda because this is made for washing of clothes, so the active ingredient has to be more than the one you use for washing dishes. So I dissolve my caustic soda and I'm turning it right into the bowl there. And I like this reaction all the time. Immediately you turn your caustic soda solution, then it becomes thick almost immediately. And that is what you can see in the video right now. Stir it and it becomes thick. The moment I see this reaction, I'm always very, very happy. So dissolve it very well. You can see how thick it is. Now the next thing is to add my texapon. So I added my texapon and moved straight to also add my sulphonic acid so that I can do the stirring at the same time. The sulphonic acid is just 500 mils. That texapon that I added is just about 80 grams. So now the thorough work. This is where the stirring is needed. You have to stir it very, very well so that the tea and the sulphonic acid can mix up properly with the solution the mixture you already have in the bowl. So right in the bowl, I have my texapon, I have my sulphonic, I have my caustic soda solution, and I also have my nitrosol dissolve. Now this is where the work is. If you don't want the soap to be lumpy, do thorough stirring at this time. You can spend time there to stir very well. And the moment it's mixed up properly, the next thing you're going to add is the solution of soda ash that I've soaked down already. I just added, and stirring becomes very, very easy because it has been dissolved completely. You will even see the reaction and you will love it. From this stage, you know that the soap is going to come out very fine and beautiful. So after stirring it very well to make sure that the ingredient mix up completely, then the next thing I will be adding my STPP. Alright, and each time you add an ingredient, you stir very well. Spend time to stir so that one mixes up very well before you add another one. So I'll be adding my STPP right away. Now as you add the STPP, do another round of stirring thoroughly to make sure that everything is well mixed before you go ahead to add the next ingredient. So you can see the way I'm stirring it. Don't allow the water to be one side and the mixture of soap to be one side. Just stir it very well so that the soap mixture will be evenly distributed. Okay, so that is what I'm doing. As you can see it, I have to remove the long video to make it shorter, but you have to spend extra time in stirring to make sure that everything is very smooth. Okay, so you stir. Once you see that it has mixed up well, then the next ingredient is ready, and that is my SLS rice. You turn it in, oh God, and then you can see the foam very, very well. It's going to be very foamy and it's going to clean effectively. So now you continue another round of stirring. That is how it is. You stir it again very well. Now the next thing I'm going to add, I will get my foam boosters ready. I will do a new video on foam booster, so that if you are into this business, you'll be making your foam booster by yourself. Foam very easy to make. Watch out for my next video. I'll be making foam booster, and then you are going to like it. Okay, you turn on your foam booster inside. The next ingredient that I want to put, but that is after you are done stirring very well to ensure that all the ingredients are thoroughly mixed up together, so that you won't have separation, you won't have the soap being separate. So now I'm turning in my foam booster. I use 1 liter of foam booster, and then you continue to mix it again, stir again very well, and then the fragrance. Now this customer asked me not to add color to this soap, so I'm making just a clean colorless soap for him, because he uses it to wash all kinds of fabrics, both white and color materials. So that is how I'm making it, just exactly the way he likes it. The soap is ready. I just added fragrance now, stir it, and then it's ready. Allow it to rest, and you package and deliver. Simple as that. Guys, thank you for always coming back to my channel. Like this video, please share to your friends and drop comments below. I love and appreciate all of you. Thank you for how you are helping to build this channel. We are actually going forward never. Thank you one more time. This is a unique and healthy. God bless you.